Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best Cool Mist humidifiers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the URPOWER second version Essential Oil Diffuser Aroma Essential Oil Cool Mist Humidifier. With thousands of consumers who have purchased this Cool Mist humidifier, URPOWER definitely deserves the first rank on our list. Not only is it way ahead because of the number of consumers, but also because of its high rating and amazing features. It works as a cool mist humidifier and an essential oil diffuser at the same time. You can either use it to moisturize and clean the air or keep your room fragrant with the heavenly smell of your essential oils. Either way, it makes your home a better place to live in. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VicTsing Cool Mist Humidifier Ultrasonic Humidifiers. VicTsing truly has a wide selection of high-quality and best-selling humidifiers. We had one on our list previously, and for the second spot, we have another one from VicTsing. A lot of consumers fully benefit from its filtering capabilities as it can work up to 24 hours, keeps the air at its cleanest all day. But the runtime varies depending on the humidity level you set. It is engineered with a 2-liter water tank capacity. As it filters the air, the impurities are reduced, making the air fresh and clean to breathe in. While it improves the quality of your sleep, it also elevates your mood and provides moisture to your skin. At number 3, we have the Pure Enrichment MistAire Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier delivers clean and filtered air for up to 16 hours. With its water capacity of 1.5 liters, you can take advantage of the continuous airflow without the need to refill now and then. As it operates without all the noise, you can sleep sound at night while taking delight in a healthy environment. You won't have to worry when you plugged it in for the night. It automatically shuts off when the water is used up. This feature keeps you safe and sound without worrying about overheating or any accidents. And to help sleep or relax better, it offers an option for a night light that gives off a calm and gentle light. At number 2, we have the Anypro Cool Mist Humidifier Ultrasonic Humidifier. Down to our third entry is the Anypro Cool Mist Humidifier that a 2-liter water capacity and up to 16 hours of a continuous flow of clean and fresh air. It is innovatively crafted with 3 timer modes that allow you to set the time for the operation. You can choose between 1 hour, 3 hours, and 6 hours. And to adjust the humidity level according to your needs, it also offers mist settings that can customize from low to high. If you need a night light to help you sleep better, this humidifier can also provide a soft illumination. It gives off a soft blue light that enhances the mood in your room and makes the ambiance better. And finally, at number 1, we have the iTvanilla Cool Mist Humidifier 5L Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. If you want to keep up with your minimalist room, this cool mist humidifier from iTvanilla showcases a sleek and modern design. Not only does it clear up the impurities in the air but also matches perfectly with your interiors with its elegant design. It offers an incredible capacity of 5 liters that allows you to benefit from the healthy and fresh air for up to 12 hours for high setting and 45 hours for the low setting. It operates quietly so it won't be a nuisance at night when you sleep or when your kids are already in bed. The automatic shut-off is also an impressive feature that ensures the safety of your family at night. The intuitive controls are crafted with a sensitive touch button that allows you to adjust the settings easily. Thanks you for watching, guys. I liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.